Hey everybody, a few weeks ago we went to a tournament in Indiana, and on the way down we stopped at a grocery store to pick up food. You know, it's cheaper that way. And lo and behold, they had cans of Keystone Meats. And this is amazing, by the way. I have followers all the time tell me how they love to get these cans, not just for stockpiling and prepping, but they said the meat is exceptional and tastes really good.
It's a family company. They've been around for 60 years and the meat is delicious.
So today we're going to give them a try, show you some of the different ones we have. Specifically, what we're going to make?
Sloppy Joes.
Who doesn't like Sloppy Joes, right? So what's beautiful about these cans, by the way, I'll tell you right now, is there's only 2 ingredients. We like canned food, we like canned meats, there's a lot of protein, but there's always, almost always, by the way, bad ingredients in it. Not in Keystone Meats, there's only 2 ingredients, just 2. Meat and salt.
Yep.
And salt is good for you, by the way. Just watch my other videos and talk about how salt is essential. So we're going to go through some of these different meats. There's pork, if you're a pork eater, there's turkey, ground beef is what we're going to use today, shredded beef, and chicken, all kinds of different stuff. But of course, we're going to go with the ground beef. So let's do some cooking.
Woohoo! All right, let's start with the ground beef. All right, here we go. So excited. Ooh, that smells delicious. All right, I have to try a bite of this. And this is all fully cooked. Of course, I have to try it. I would warm it up if I were you, but I can't wait. Mmm, delicious.
And I'm a beef kind of guy. I don't know about you, so I'm excited about this. You know, it's amazing. But the fact there's no preservatives. Preservatives are so bad for you, but they're delicious. No preservatives in this, and that is fantastic. So let's make some food.
All right, now we're gonna add it in. And you're gonna want to add all the contents in to give you the best taste possible. There we go. Now the salt in here is not just salt, it's sea salt, which makes it extra delicious.
Let's use our handy dandy red grill.
Here we go. Now let's let that simmer. And let's go to the website because Keystone doesn't just have meats. They also have soup bases and broths. Chicken soup base, beef soup base, beef broth, and turkey broth. Even better, look at this. They have all kinds of recipes. I don't know about you, but this is really making me hungry.
So we picked beef. Cool. It's actually National Beef Month, which is kind of cool. But you may ask, why Keystone Meats? I mean, first off, a lot of other canned meats, which are all about having the extra proteins. It's really good and healthy to have proteins. They often have a lot of different types of ingredients added to it, not Keystone. Again, 2 ingredients, it's a beautiful thing. But even more so, we're a prepper channel. We prep, we stockpile, we keep the food stocked away. And the Keystone Meats are pretty much guaranteed to last 5 years. In reality, in my opinion, at least in my house, it'll probably go longer than that. But 5 years, that's a beautiful thing. And there's such a variety. Now, beyond that, let's say you're not a prepper. You just get home after work, you're like, oh, I don't feel like making dinner. Or what do I even make? Let's go get fast food. No, that's such bad for you. Keystone Meats, the can's already prepared and ready to go. And as Naomi showed you, there's so many recipes online. Keystone Meats is definitely the way to go.
Ooh, look at this, it's all ready to go. We're gonna drain it and add our other ingredients now. Our homemade Sloppy Joe mix, and now we're just gonna warm it up. In case you want it, I'll put our homemade Sloppy Joe recipe in the description below. Okay, it's all done. Time for the taste test, and it looks fan-diddly-tastic. Now I have a bun for myself and my sister, and a keto bun for my mom and my dad, because they're on keto. Oh, I'm so excited to try this. 1. It sure is sloppy. But of course, that's what makes a Sloppy Joe good. Oh, so excited. And 4. Come and get it!
Yummy. I'm right here. Let's give it a try.
Now 0 out of 10, what will you rate it? Let's see.
I mean, it tastes just like normal Sloppy Joes. Like, as in just like homemade, fresh meat. Honestly, I'd give it a 10. I love it.
Alright, I have a keto one just for you.
Yay!
And it's perfect because you're wearing a white shirt.
I know, right? Wrong day.
Out of 10, what would you rate it?
I think it's 10 out of 10 with the meat, but I definitely think I needed to add more seasoning. Yep. It's good though.
You want to try yours next?
Alright.
Sloppy Joes.
Mmm. 11 out of 10.
Really? Mm-hmm. That's what makes it extra special.
It's just so delicious.
I think it's because you made it.
That's true.
All right, Keto one. I'm a Sloppy Joe fan. Oh my gosh. I don't know if it's the spices or the meat, but in my opinion, that's a perfect Sloppy Joe. Delicious. All right, sorry, had to finish my bite. But outstanding, 10 out of 10.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so 10 out of 10. We will certainly try some of the other Keystone Meats on videos later on. I'm very excited about it, by the way.
For sure.
Because again, I've heard from so many followers, Keystone Meats where it's at. And now that I've had some, I completely agree.
Oh, yeah.
So click on the link below to pick some up for you. Wide variety of different meats and everything. Perfect for prepping and perfect for dinner. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you later.